This is a video on direct proof pa din, pero the given problems are geometric statements na, not na siya algebraic. Okay? So this is how we prove if by just nasa exam itong ganitong problem. Oh, wait, wait. So, number one problem we have this. mm, like, Given that M is parallel to M, if the line N is parallel to line M, and there's a transversal line called C. And we have to prove that this angle here is equal or congruent to this angle. So if we are to, think of them, the relationship would be alternate interior angle. Okay? So we have the first number as the given, and if our statement is like this, that angle 1 is congruent to angle 3, what would be the reason? Angle 1, hold on, angle 1 is congruent to angle 3. Okay, if we are to think the relationship of these two, we call that corresponding. Okay, corresponding angle angles. Number three, we don't have statement, we have reasoning. So the reason is vertical angle theorem. We can apply dito ng vertical angle theorem. Okay? Since ito lang yung given natin, maybe we can say angle 1 and angle 2. This is an example of vertical angle theorem. So we can say that the angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. This is the vertical angle theorem. Okay, number 4 naman. Let's go. Number 4. Therefore, we can conclude that if, let's do it red. If angle 1 is congruent to angle 3, and you can say also that angle 3 is congruent to angle 1, right? Vice versa. This is congruent, this is congruent. So, andito na ako. Okay? Angle 1 is congruent to angle 3. Angle 3 is congruent to angle 1. So angle 1 now is congruent to angle 2. Okay? Because they are vertical angles. So we used angle 2 and angle 3. So again, if iisipin natin angle 1 is equal to angle 3 is equal to angle 1, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, what would that be? We call that transitive property. Okay, that's it. So we can conclude that this statement over here is true. Yeah, let's do another problem. Here, line P is parallel to Q. Let's say we have ganitong figure, no? Line P, okay, and line Q. Line P and Q are parallel, and there's a transverse line. Hold on. Ganito na lang. Okay, this is the transversal line that intersects the parallel lines, forming corresponding angles, angle 4 and 5. Hanap tayo dito, let's say, mm, dito na lang, no? Angle 4 and angle 5. Yeah, angle 4 and angle 5. This the relationship of these two angles is corresponding angles. So we have to prove that these two are um, corresponding or congruent based on this statement. Yeah. Now, the first statement here is, of course, given. And the second one is angle 4 and 6 are alternate interior angles. So we kulang tayo sa figure na. Pero if I will to think 6 and they are alternate interior, if 4 dito, then dito ang 6. Ayan. Ganyan ang alternate interior angles, right? Okay, quarter one lesson. So, ano yung reasons niya? Ang reason niya ay for angle 4 and angle 6 ang alternate interior angles. Definitely the definition. Definition of alternate. Wait lang, be caution. Alternate interior angle. Okay? Kasi given na dito, dagdag ka na lang ng words, definition of. That's it. Now, ang third number, what is our third? Alternate interior angle theorem. If I were to think that, it will be like mm, angle 4 is congruent to angle 6, right? Makes sense. That angle 4 and angle 6 are congruent. They have the same measurement. Okay. Number 5 and number 4. Angle 5 and 6 are vertical angles. Let's see. Tama din, right? Angle 5 and 6, they are vertical and they are congruent. Ayan. So, ayan. The same thing happens. Okay, definition of vertical, vertical, vertical angles. So, ito na yung clue nyo, yung mga clue words. Okay? Okay, number 5. Number 5, we have vertical angle theorem. We can say that that the angle 5, hold on, that the angle 5 and angle 6 are congruent. True. Kung ano yung measurement ng 5, the same ang measurement ng 6. Okay? Kasi nga congruent tong dalawa. Gets? Number 6. Sa number 6 naman, we have mm, angle 4 is congruent to angle 5. Ano yan sila? What's the relationship of that two? Yan. Angle 4 and 5 are, anong relationship ng 4 and 5 again? They are corresponding angles right here. Yeah. And, ano natin nakuha? That angle 4 and angle 5 are congruent. Yes. Ano natin nakuha? Okay, because we used property called transitivity. Sir, paano yun? So it's like this, no? From the wait, from the statement na 4 and 5 that ito na lang, okay? 3 and 5. Yeah, 3 and 5. That if this is equal 4 and 6, then 6 and 5 is also equal. Kasi dito, 5 and 6 are equal, right? Again, so 4 and 6 are equal. 6 and 5 are equal, right? Makes sense ba? Okay, again, 4 and 6 are equal, then 6 and 5 are equal. Anong law or property ang ginamit dyan? Again, law of transitivity. So we have concluded that this 4 and 5 are common. So we call that the transitive property. Yan. Ganyan na lang. Yan. Ano pa to say, ano, ang 5 and 6 per ISO statement number 3. So that concludes that 4 and 5 are common because I used these two statements. Okay, that's it. Screenshot. Okay. I want to discuss this, Anna, pero it's very messy and it would just overwhelm everybody's brain. So we focus this two that's way easy to understand, and I hope you know this could be good foundation now when you take the long quiz. That's it. Bye bye.